Hello and welcome to this Windows tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video, I'll be briefly showing you how to make extensions for file types visible in Windows. So to start with, open a File Explorer window by just clicking down here and then go to View. From here, you will see a tick box which says File Name Extensions, and this will be ticked or unticked. By default on Windows, it is unticked. You can simply tick it to show the file extensions. So if we have a look down here, we'll see that this is a picture of our logo, which has a .jpg extension or a JPEG extension. We can view that at the moment. However, if we untick this box, you'll see that extension disappears, and this is just visible with the name. This is the default setup in Windows because over the years, viewing file extensions has become less and less of a need, and it looks a bit neater when you're looking at file names without having extensions on. Why would you want to view extensions on Windows or on files? Well, it can be useful in certain instances. In another video on our YouTube channel, we talk about creating Word templates, which is just available in the top right corner. And this is an example of where viewing the extensions can be quite useful. So if we were to go into Documents and we were to create a new document here, a new Word document, and we just called this Word doc. And then we were to make a new template with the same name. We can see them both here with the same name. However, we can see the extensions are different. One is a normal document and one is a template. However, if we turn file extensions off, it suddenly isn't quite so clear. If you have this view, you can see it here under type, which is okay. It's not that obvious. However, if we were to kind of change our views to be more like the large icons, then you can see we lose that ability and it isn't so obvious which one is which. So having file extensions on can be useful in certain circumstances, and that is how you control them in Windows.